Morning, students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So, as we are having our social science class today, and in earlier video of social science, we have studied about the states and capital of India. We have studied about the northern states and its capital, and we have already studied about some of the states which are in the eastern part of our country and their capitals. So now today we will study the some more states which are there in India towards the eastern side, because in earlier video we have only studied some of the eastern states of India. Today we will study the some more eastern states which are there in India. We have studied the states in the earlier video of the eastern states of India, which we have already studied in the earlier video, are Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Today we will study about Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. And we will also study about the western states of India and the southern states of India. So today we will study about some of the eastern states of India, we will study about southern states of India, and we will study about the western states of India. So let's start with our eastern state. We'll talk about another state, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh lies at the country's northeastern tip. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. English is the language spoken by the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Losar, as one of the major festivals, is celebrated here in Arunachal Pradesh. Now another state of eastern part of our country is Assam. It is located toward the northeastern part of our country. The name Assam derives from the word Asma, meaning fearless, in the now extinct Ahom language. Capital state of Assam is Dispur. Assami and Bodo are the official language in Assam. Bihu is the most important festival celebrated all over Assam with great enthusiasm. Another state which is in East India, that is Manipur. Manipur state of India located in the northeastern part of our country. Capital of Manipur is Imphal. Manipur is one of the official language of the Indian state of Manipur. Manipur is also known as Mithai and Meitheion. Yogasan is a festival celebrated in Manipur, and it is considered as the most important festival of Manipur. Now another state which is towards the east of India, that is Meghalaya, state of India located in the northeastern part of our country. The state capital is Shillong. Garo is one of the principal languages spoken in Meghalaya. Khasi is the official language of Meghalaya. The festival celebrated in Meghalaya is the Wangala festival, which is the most important festival of Garo people. These are the tribe people of Meghalaya. Today it is popularly known as the 100 Drum Festival. You can see the picture. Now another state which is towards the eastern part of India, that is Mizoram. The state Mizoram is located towards the northeast of India. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Language spoken in Mizoram is Mizo, Hindi and English. Mizo is the most widely used language for verbal interaction in Mizoram state. The Chapchar Cut is a festival of Mizoram, India. It is a spring festival celebrated with great fervor and unity. Now another state of East India is Nagaland. Nagaland is one of the northeastern state in India. Kohima is the capital state of Nagaland. In 1967, the Nagaland Assembly proclaimed Indian English as the official language of Nagaland. Other than that, English, Nagmese, a Kharal language based on Assami, is widely spoken in the state Nagaland. Festivals of Nagaland are the Honor Bill Festival, which is celebrated every year from 1st to 10th December in Nagaland. It is also called the Festival of Festivals. Now Sikkim. Sikkim is one of the northeastern state in India. It is one of the smallest state in India. Gangtok is the capital state of Sikkim. The official language states are English, Nepali, Sikkim and Lepcha. The festivals of Sikkim are Losong, Drupka Tesi, Bumchu, Saga Dhaba, Dasin, Phang, Lapsol. Now Tripura, state of India, it is located in the northeastern part of India. Agartala is the capital state of Tripura. Language spoken in Tripura is Bengali and Kokborok. Dialect of Tripuri. Festivals of Tripura are the main religious festival of Tripura are Durga Puja, Karchi Puja and Diwali. Now we will talk about the western states of India. West India is a region of India consisting of the Indian states Goa, Gujarat and Maharashtra. So 3 states are there in western India. Goa is situated on the west coast of the subcontinent. The capital state Goa is Panaji. Konkani is the official language of Goa. Festivals celebrated in Goa are Goa Carnival, Suajao, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas, Shingoma, etc. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gujarati is the official language of the state Gujarat. And Navratri is the famous festival celebrated in Gujarat. Now another state of West India is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located in the western part of India. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and also the financial capital of India. Mumbai was formerly called as Bombay. Main language of Maharashtra are Marathi, Hindi and English. Marathi and Hindi are mostly understood all over the state. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival in Maharashtra. It is celebrated for 10 days with huge fun and fair. Now the southern states of India. South India consists of 5 southern Indian states that are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Now the south state Andhra Pradesh. The state of Andhra Pradesh is located along the eastern coast of southern India. Amravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. The language spoken in Andhra Pradesh is Telugu, Urdu, Hindi, Bajra. Telugu is the principal and official language of the state. Ugadi is the most famous festival of Andhra Pradesh. Telangana is located in the south central part of India. This is a state of south part of our country. Hyderabad is the capital state of Telangana. Telugu is the classical language of India and is the official language of Telangana. And Urdu is the second official language of this state. Vijayadashmi, also known as Dashera or Navratri, is an important Hindu festival celebrated in Telangana. Bonalu is the Hindu festival where goddess Mahakali is worshipped here. Karnataka is the state in the southwestern region of India. Karnataka, the capital is Bangalore. Kannada is the official language spoken in Karnataka. Festivals celebrated in Karnataka are Dashera, and the people celebrate here it very. Kerala is situated in the southwestern tip of Indian Peninsula. Trivandrum is the capital state of Kerala. Malayalam is the most widely spoken language in Kerala. Onam is the most biggest festival in Kerala. Tamil Nadu, another state of south, is located in the extreme south of India. Chennai, formerly known as Madras, is the capital state of Tamil Nadu. Tamil, the official state language, is spoken by most of the people. The festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal, which is celebrated more than 3 days and is one of the most important festivals of Tamil Nadu. Now we will talk about the 8 union territories and its capital of India. So first union territory is Andaman and Nicobar and the capital is Port Blair. Second is Chandigarh and its capital is Chandigarh. Third union territory is Dadra Nagar Haveli
and Daman and Diu. These two are merged now, and its capital is Daman. Fourth Union Territory is Delhi, and its capital is New Delhi. Lakshadweep is the fifth Union Territory of India, and its capital is Kavaratti. Pondicherry is the sixth Union Territory, and its capital is Pondicherry. Seventh Union Territory is Jammu and Kashmir, and its capital is R2. Srinagar is in summer, and Jammu is in winter capital. Eighth Union Territory of India is Ladakh, and Ladakh's capital is Leh. So now students, we have already discussed all the states of our country and we have discussed their capitals. We have already discussed about the Union Territories and its capital. So you have to just recapitulate all the concepts, all the states and capital and Union Territories and its capital thoroughly, so that if anyone asks you, you should be able to answer which state is where and what is the capital of that state. Thank you and have a